This is eagle. This is a white-breasted sea eagle. This is Victoria crowned penguins. Ayan guys. Cute din. Okay. Guys, ito naman din yung Palawan hornbills. Guys, yan yung Palawan hornbills. Okay. Ito naman din yung Focus hornbills, Kalaw or Kalaw. Yan yung Kalaw guys. Ito din naman yung Papuan hornbills. Medyo may pagka-unique din to. Ayan. Okay. At ito naman din yung crow. Ayan guys. Guys, ito yung Eclectus parrot. Eclectus parrot. At ito ang pinaka-unique sa lahat na nakita ko dito, itong black fawn cactus. Ayan. Oy, sana all sweet. Okay. Ini sa